Come on, I need everybody in the room to stand to your feet. Yeah, let's go. Can we take it back? Come on. We like to take this time and pay tribute to some of the greatest they ever do and sing some of our favorite songs. From Milton Brunson to Edwin Hawkins to James Hall to Reverend Timothy White. Come on, let's open it. Let's go. Say, looking over my life, I see the road I don't like it. Song says, I checked it out. I've been in this life. Gotta change my attitude. Why? It's hard to see. Song says, cause if I don't, I'll leave. And it says I'll walk and I'll crawl. But this time, I'm gonna give my all. Look at your neighbor and say, please don't hinder me. I'm trying. I'm going the way. Yeah. Come on, let's be right here. Promise me. No turning back. Yes, I'm happy. Cause I'm on the right track. Say, Mama Mia. No turning back. Yes, I'm happy. Cause I'm on the right track. Mama Mia. No turning back. Yes, I'm happy. Cause I'm on the right track. Say, Mama Mia. No turning back. Mama Mia. No turning back. I see you queen. Mama Mia. No turning back. Mama Mia. No turning, turning. Hey. No turning back. Mama Mia. Come on, just take it out, y'all. Say, please don't hinder me. I'm trying. I'm going all the way. Yeah. Come on, put your weight on it. Mama Mia. Now everybody come on and put your hands together right here. Feel good, LA. I like that. Let's go. Everybody say, keep on. Making a way for me. Opening doors for me. Taking care of me. Say, and keep on. Making a way for me. Opening doors for me. Taking care of me. I will never. Glory to your name. I will never see your praise. Give glory. I will never. Keep on making a way. Right here, they said he's all right. Come on and say, he's all right. Anybody know he's all right? He's all right. Hey, he's all right. Come on, tell your neighbor, say, he's just all right. He's just all right. He's just all right. Come on, put your weight on it. Say, I tried here. I tried and I found that he's all right. He's just all right. He's just all right. He's just all right. Let's take it back. Say, I will never. Glory. I will never see. Say glory. I will never. You keep on making the way. Now let's go on to Brooklyn, New York. Song says, so that you may get the glory out of our lives. Come on, Dreamer. Put your hands together right here. Let's go.
Whenever I sing my song, whenever I say my prayer,
might ask the question, who's on the Lord's side? Come on, DJ, let's go! Come on, everybody, clap your hands in the room. If you're standing on the Lord's side, I need you to move your hands right here. Listen. You've been running and running, running for a long time. Your time is winding up. You better make up your mind. It's getting late in the evening. Sun is going down. You better get right while he may be found. I wanna know